exhibition class.
It'll be right-hand side. Right-hand side, 206.96 for Mark James. Juan Fernandez, 210.39. Mark James, number 2 qualifier of the Lamborghini Huracan, trying to give him some competition. And will thumb up short, but both cars going 210 miles an hour. 210.20 for Mark James, gets the win in the Huracan. 201.63, holding off a very quickly closing 218.75 for Felipe. Mark James gets the win.
Okay,